Huge fish.
My lure is so far in my finger right now, I can't get it out.
Nice.
I mean, it's in there, dude. It's real. What's up, guys? Changing it up today. We're not riding mountain bikes. We got the kayak loaded up. Going over to River Ranch Resort in Noel, Missouri. Gonna meet a couple of friends over there and do a 8-mile float on the Elk River. We're gonna do some fishing, see what we can catch. But first time floating the elk, so should be fun. We'll go check it out and see what it's like. River Ranch Resort. They got a bunch of little cabins and stuff if you wanted to camp out here. We'll go check in and see where we need to unload the kayak at. Here we go. Got a little Ned rig rigged up so we can catch. I think we got one. Got one.
No freaking way. Dude, that thing's huge. Dude, no way. I'm totally changing up what I'm fishing with now.
What are you on, Dave?
Ned rig?
What?
Ned rig?
Yeah, I'm going with a bigger fucking lure. That's crazy.
That was pretty good. First like 2 minutes.
Got one.
I thought it was just snagged on something at first. Oh yeah, it's thundering. Hopefully we don't get rained on. That's gonna suck.
I think that was gravel.
No, that was thunder.
fishing right now?
Ned rig. There you go.
Oh, fuck yeah, bitch.
Another.
Woo! What are you?
I think so. Oh, almost had one there. Starting to rain. Good. There we go. Dang, about 11 a.m. Storm's gonna hit us. It's about 9:38 right now.
Chase, what's the weather saying?
It's gonna storm on us.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, about 11. Red blob. I mean, hopefully not, but that's what's on the.
These guys say it's not going to.
That's what's on the radar. Just crazy. I looked at the weather this morning and it wasn't supposed to do anything.
I know.
Weather guys don't know what it's gonna do.
Camp store or whatever. That would be perfect right now to rain. That's where I'm at.
Damn.
Oh, Jay's on one. Oh my god. What are you using?
Ned rig.
What is that?
I'll show it to you. Damn, dude.
Are you kidding me?
I'm serious. You're
Try
right.
another one.
Looks like the same one. A little smaller. Just a little guy. Casting right here under these trees on the bank. Deeper water. Seem to be over there.
That's just all talk.
Yeah, I hope.
Honestly, when it comes, what's coming at us doesn't look bad.
Nah, it's not terrible. Oh, wait.
You son of a bitch.
I think that's a smallmouth. I don't know my fish very well. Pretty sure that's a little smallmouth though. Maybe not. Alright guys, here's what we're using. Z-Man Big TRD Canada Crawl. Just rigging these up as a Ned rig. So far it's been working pretty good. need to get me a camera rigged up here so you guys can see like POV instead of it pointing at me. Or I should have just wore my chest cam, but forgot to bring that. I hope so.
Where there's not a bunch of debris in the middle of the river.
I know. So much current right here.
I mean, the worm's working. I got something much similar.
Waiting the storm out. Pulled off under some trees. Alright, the rain finally let up. I'm gonna get back out there. Yo.
Somebody's taco truck.
I know. I wish I would have brought my wallet.
I wish there are other spots to have food too on the 3 mile.
Right here's the spot, man.
Right here is a good spot.
Little fella. Huge fish.
Oh, no fucking way. Let's fucking go.
It's a good one.
Let's go. I think it's spotted. Hey.
They're just hiding under this damn tree right here. They're all under this tree.
Really?
Yeah, I just dipped the lure underneath it and they freaking bite.
That's the second one I've got like this. Or around this fucking eye almost.
Uh-oh. 6 mile marker. Some rapids up here. Looks like it should be a decent spot.
That's 3.
Heck yeah.
Dude, I thought I cast into a log because as soon as it hit the water,
Oh,
it bit it
yeah?
immediately.
There you go. Seems like they're all in the deeper spots where the water's not moving so much.
What?
Dude, I'm fucked.
What'd you do?
My lure is so far in my finger right now, I can't get it out.
No shit.
Yeah, it's bad. It's not good. It's literally attached to my finger. It's like in the top of my finger, all the way in. It's attached to the barb.
I got some pliers, we can cut it.
Yeah, I got this too. I've been trying to fuck with it.
I'm gonna pull over somewhere.
Yeah, I'm here. It's in there, dude. It's in there.
How'd you do
It's
it?
just back there. It's been for like 10 minutes. I can't get it out just because the treble is so small.
Damn, bro.
What a buzzkill. You gotta get it out, man.
Yeah.
But it's like, motherfucker, it is attached to my goddamn bone, dude. Do you see it attached to my finger right now?
Yeah.
Wait till you see it, actually. Zach's a freaking nerd, too.
Huh?
Zach's a nurse.
Oh, really?
Actually, yeah. Don't even look right now, but look at this motherfucker. I've already tried getting it out a few times. It's in there. So, like, basically, I mean, it's in there, dude. It's real. God damn, that sucked there for a second, dude.
Yeah.
That was,
Not cool.
I thought I was a goner, dude.
Ah,
Dude, what?
lost him.
live on it. Oh, it flipped over.
What?
It flipped over.
Just now?
Yeah. I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Appreciate it. Right. Thank you.
Yeah, he swallowed that sucker. Gosh, dang. Almost got my finger. We're almost back. I think our place is right here, past this bridge.
spot. Loaded up, just got back. It was a good time, caught quite a few fish. Took about 8 hours to do the whole thing. Started at like 9:30 and it's almost 5:30 now. So, I mean, that's with taking our time fishing, and we waited that storm out for about an hour. So, you could probably do it in like 5 or 6 hours pretty easy if you wanted. Yeah, it was fun. Good river to float, Elk River. River Ranch Resort here in Noel, Missouri. Come check it out. It's a good time.